Welcome to real life Need for Speed Midnight Club. The lobby is full, and the players are ready to race. You saw the trailer with the sparks flying, but the comments section got the map all wrong. This isn't Asia. We're racing in Bogota, Colombia, on one of the toughest tracks in the game. A lot of you wanted to spectate the full match, so let's get into it. The players are entering the canyon. Our first player is on the grid, but check out the stats on player 4. His aggression and lean angle are maxed out. The raid leader is on a fully modded Yamaha MT-10 SP. This guy is a pro. The players are entering combat mode, prepping their ultimate abilities. Hitting 120 mph per hour through these tight corners with NPC traffic is a high-level skill check. Look at this flex. The Yamaha player uses an emote on the Mercedes NPC to clear the lane, and he's right back to grinding chaining combos through the corners. They hit 180 kph, and the whole squad has activated their attack stance. This is where the real race begins.